Hello, everyone. Please ignore the fact that I look like a couch potato.
Hold up.
Alright, so we're just going to be starting off with some foundation, and we're going to be blending that all over my crusty, dusty face because I can't stand the sight of it. There you go, honey. There you go. Cover up all those scars. You know. And the rest because you're pale as fuck. There you go. Yeah, just like that. Just gonna blend all that out with my beauty blender. It's a wet, damp beauty blender for those of you who don't know. I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal concealer pencil thing, and this concealer is very light. It's not as heavy as all the other concealers that I've been using. Like, it's pretty good. And I'm just gonna highlight all the T-zone area under the eyes and whatnot and things of that nature, and I'm gonna blend all that crap out. Now I'm just gonna bake underneath my eyes and my T-zone area. Now I'm going to take some foundation powder and powder the brown parts that I didn't bake. Add some color to that face, honey. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to contour. Now when I contour, I swipe and then I like blend up as I go to create like an actual cheekbone, not just like a line. So pro tip number one, guys, I'm gonna contour my cheekbones and my jawline, and I contour my nose too, but you can't even, yeah, you can't tell. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and I did my brows off camera, so yeah. And now we're going to dip into a light ashy brown color and use that as a wash all over the eye. Now I'm going to take a pink color that you can't even see, but in real life you can see it though, girl, because it's there, it's pigmented AF. I had to like layer on that pink though, just a little bit. We're gonna put that in the crease, and then along with that we're going to put a dark brown color also on the outer V of the eye and a little bit in the crease, and drag that down my nose just a smidge. And I'm going to highlight my intercorners and like dust a little bit on my eyelid, you know, to give it that glossy looking effect. I mean, not too much, just like enough to where it's like, oh bitch, you woke as fuck. Like, yeah. I'm going to take some highlight and put it in my brows. Well, not in my brows, you know what I mean, like underneath my brow bone, that thing, you know. Now I'm going to apply some blush to add some color to the face, and yeah, just yeah. I apply a little bit like alongside the contour and a little bit on the contour just to, you know, merge the two together, sort of, kind of. Now I'm going to go in with some Fenty Beauty Mascara Mule and Ginger Binge all up on that cheek. And I'm going to go in with an ashy pink looking highlighter thing. I think this one's from Wet n Wild. Either that or I don't think Hard Candy has highlighters. If they do, let me know. But I think this one's from Wet n Wild. It's like an ashy pink color looking thing. It was perfect because it gives you a soft, subtle glam glow rather than something weird. And now I'm going to go in and use a third highlighter, which was another Wet n Wild one, but it was like a brighter highlighter just because I wanted to add layers, okay? I wanted some layers on that highlight. Now I'm gonna go in and do my mascara on my eyelashes. Y'all, tell me why I look like Mary Sibley from Salem right now. Like the black version. Like, no lie. That's you being jealous. Now I'm gonna move on to these DSLs. Gonna put on some chapstick because these lips was dry, and then I'm going to put on a lip liner, and this color is a pink color, sort of kind of, and it's called Bite, and I got that from Sephora. And we're gonna use I don't know if this is a lip stain or like just lip gloss that's colored. I don't really know, but it's like a red, like a burgundy reddish color. And boom, bam, oh hot damn, you done for Valentine's Day, boo. Go get you your man, go get you some dick, go love yourself, like treat yourself and touch yourself. That's all I'm asking. So bye everyone, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, you know, all that shenanigans, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces.
Daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. Like my